everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be reacting to Muslim related stuff or Quran or something like that. So today someone sent me this video. It says cat will not walk on the Quran, experiment with five cat with the five experiment with five cats. So they're using five cat. So basically they're saying like a cat would not walk on the Quran book. So I'm very like interested, intrigued with this because that's crazy because cat just usually just go right in through something. Like they don't care. They're the rudest. No offense. I have a cat. Sometimes my cat is rude. They would just walk into something, and especially I'm doing something, it would just like, okay, especially when I'm typing, like I'm in the living room and my cat would just go into like do nothing. So today we're gonna react to the last one. So this is like 6 minutes. So yeah, it's kind of long, but I mean this is an experiment. So let's get into the video. I did not know about this video until you guys suggested it to me. So today we are gonna be reacting to this. So let's get into the video. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Oh, I got Oh wait, so that's the original book, okay?
لو أخاف شعبنا تحت الزناد لو يظنوا أننا جمع وفاد
Boy!
يلقوننا في كل واد حينها ستعتني
What that? Okay, that is crazy. Do not believe it yet? Let's watch. Okay, yeah. Okay, the second one. Oh. Oh my god. That is crazy.
لو تكون أرضنا كوم رماد
That's like
لو أخاف شعبنا تحت الزناد لو يظنوا أننا جمع وفاد قسما قسما يلقوننا في كل واد حينها ستعتلي رايات تلك
He's like exciting now.
لو تصير شمسنا سواد لو تكون أرضنا كوم رماد
Okay, this is kinda cool and kinda like, what the heck?
لو يظنوا أننا جمع وفاد قسما يلقوننا في كل واد حينها ستعتلي رايات تلك رايات الجهاد.
Okay, so this is another one. Okay, let's see.
لو تصير شمسنا هذه سواد لو تكون أرضنا كوم رماد
God.
خافوا شعبنا تحت الزناد لو يظنوا أننا جمع وغاد قسما
That's crazy. What the heck?
قسما يلقوننا في كل غاد حينها ستعتلي رايات تلك رايات الجهاد.
She will step on that one. Put one here.
That is crazy. This is so crazy.
She stepped on this one.
Okay.
Put this one here. Go ahead. Put it there. See? She won't step on the Quran.
That is so... Like, that's a miracle. Like, I feel like cat have respect.
Again on this book.
I feel like they know. What the heck? I need to try this, but I don't know what a Quran does.
Put it on this one. On the Quran.
We get like 2 Qurans. We have.
Oh my god.
She will never step on the Quran.
Damn! She's just like, okay, I'm not stepping on this. Like, low-key, no.
Wow.
And then she just stepped on the right, like the original, like the just the book.
Wow. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. She'll never step on the Quran. Never.
Earth meant to God the Son and okay. First of all, let me just say that is crazy, cause the cat would not even step, like not even just like one touch of like the thing. It wouldn't even step on it. Like that's crazy. Like, oh my god, it's like I feel. First of all, that's like a miracle, and second of all, that is so like crazy and amazing. Like how the cat like. Honestly, cat is like the respect on it. Like what the heck? I'm shocked because cat just usually would just go just right straight to everything, but they wouldn't do it with that with the Quran. Okay, well. Anyway, let me just say that is a very interesting video, and that it's crazy how cat wouldn't walk on it. I mean. I feel like that's just like America. I don't know. I'm like shook. I'm like, especially watching all this experiment. Like it wouldn't. Like it just wouldn't. Like it would just go around and just go another way, and then it just. But if it's an original book, it would just go like step on it. I need to try this with my cat, but I don't have a Quran, so I don't know. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I love you all so much, and thank you whoever suggested this video. This is a crazy and incredible and interesting, and it's just I'm shook. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down in the description below. Okay, bye.